Election season has definitely started a little sooner in Tamil Nadu, and not just that, a little bit shocking and surprising manner as well. In fact, on October 7th, the major debacle between AIDMK's EPS and OPS faction came to an end, where the current Chief Minister EPS was chosen as a CM candidate. Forbes retaliation was also there from DMK, calling this entire thing as a fuss. So now it seems that AIDMK has allegedly decided to react back, and why we are calling it alleged we'll explain soon. But for now, you could see a poster war in Chennai. This is Thousand Lights, where several such posters are across the city. Not just that, if you have to show this poster, this is the current Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. He's seen wearing a green turban, highlighting that he is actually a farmer. And not just that, the caption in green is calling him Mannin Maindana. So it's a choice saying you want to choose between the son of the soil, a farmer, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, whereas MK Stalin, the DMK leader, is depicted in this format as a caricature, symbolizing him as a character from a Tamil movie called Imsai Arasan, Iruvathimundram Pulikesi. It's about a king who did not know how to rule, and a funny character. That way the MK Stalin has been depicted with the caption Mannarin Magana. Or do you want to choose between the son of the soil or the son of a king who allegedly does not know how to rule? So that's how they are trying to depict it. Yesterday's posters were much more harsher, where they called MK Stalin as a man of just statements, whereas EPS is a man of action, and the other one called MK Stalin openly as a blabbermouth. And that way only they are trying to this poster war is occurring. Now why we are calling it as an alleged poster war is because here is a poster from DMK. So when there is a poster like this, you see the faces. This is DMK leader Thurai Murugan, and you also see the other leaders over here. And here you see all the names of the people involved in the poster and those who actually pasted this poster. But here, notoriously, there is no other name except EPS and MK Stalin's face, the remarks, and that way it's been let off. It actually is being said as a kind of a retaliation to MK Stalin and his son Udayanidhi Stalin's remarks over CM becoming the CM candidate, and how there was a fight between EPS and OPS for this. In fact, MK Stalin has called it that they too have the EPS and OPS have come together not for the welfare of the people but to commit more corruption. That is how he called that one. Whereas Udayanidhi Stalin actually posted a picture of EPS falling on the feet of Sasikala. This occurred long time back, and he actually put it with a question mark, stating that, do you know who this honorable man who is lying down like a dead body on the feet of somebody? So that way he actually asked a question, and here seems to be the retaliation for it. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.